everyone, this is Alex from Albo Studio, and today I will show you how to change a language on your Android device in few seconds. If you are new to the channel, I'm doing tech tips, tech reviews, and I also talk about cryptocurrency. So if you are into that, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any updates. With that being said, let's hop into the video. So you have your Android phone, and in my case I've transferred to German. And how can we fix it? The nastiest one is with Chinese. Then you have no chance to understand what's it. Okay, to change your language you will need to go to settings. You will need to find your general management mode. This is general settings. And you will need to select the upper tab, even if it's in Chinese. And there you will see another tab. You tap the first tab again. Oops. And you will see the language panel. If you don't have your language in it, click on plus and you will see all the languages available for the Android. In my case, I will transfer to English. I will say yes. And now English is my main language. Also, I can transfer if language appears here. You can transfer it like this. And language number 3 now is language number 1, and you hit apply. So that's how you prioritize your languages and you change a language on your Android device. If you got any value from this video, please hit that subscribe button and I would love to see you in my next videos. Take care.